Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to macerate strawberries. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, coming at you today with a really quick and simple how-to recipe. All I'm showing you today is how to macerate strawberries. This simply means we are taking some berries and we're going to make them nice and juicy. This technique is great for making nice juicy berries for topping off pound cake or just enjoying as they are. I really like to use it when I have berries in the winter that just aren't super flavorful. Adding some sugar brings out a really lovely flavor and lots of nice strawberry juice. Now you can scale up or scale down this recipe as you'd like. Today I'm going to be starting with 1 pound or about 2 cups of whole fresh strawberries. Your strawberries should be nicely washed and patted dry. We're gonna go ahead and remove the tops of the strawberries. I'm just gonna be chopping the greens off with my knife. And you can really slice these strawberries any way you'd like. I like to just cut them like this into nice thin layers. Some people prefer to quarter their berries like this instead. But this is my preferred method. I like to have these nice, thin strawberry slices. Now you want to go ahead and cut up all of your berries and toss the greens, you don't need those. And now we're going to add these to a small mixing bowl. Now you can use different kinds of sweeteners to macerate strawberries. Today I'm going to be using granulated sugar. We're going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar over the berries, and then we are going to use a spatula or a spoon to stir everything together to make sure that all of the berries are thoroughly coated with that sugar. All right, now all that's left to do at this point is to let these berries sit. You want to let them sit for at least 30 minutes. If you're letting them sit for longer than that, I recommend covering them and popping them in the refrigerator. The longer they sit, the juicier everything is going to become and the more flavorful. All right, now I want to show you how my berries look after 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Hopefully you can see on camera that the berries are nice and soft at this point, and if I tilt everything over for you, you should be able to see that red strawberry juice pooling at the bottom of the bowl. Now you can go ahead and use these strawberries any way you'd like. I like to use mine over nice warm pound cake, sometimes accompanied by whipped cream. And that's really it. That is how you macerate strawberries. Super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this technique, and if it was helpful, please leave me a comment and let me know. I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I just want you to fully appreciate how juicy these are. That's good.